Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ahmad Khizar. My father name is Mufti Abdul Samad Qasmi. I seek refuge in Allah from the shaitan, the rejected one. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear friends, Allah Ta'ala displays in the Holy Quran. O believers, often namaz and do not become among disbelievers in Allah, our Creator, our Sustainer, our Master, our Lord, our God is only Allah. Our Prophet, our Messenger is Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. We read kalima, La ilaha illallah Muhammadu Rasulullah. There is no God but Allah. Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the Prophet of Allah. Our God, Allah ordered us to pray Allah, to offer Salah 5 times a day. Our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, offer Salah as you see me to offer Salah. At last I pray, may Allah make us successful here and in hereafter.